guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a lot of cleaning dishes by hand because, as you probably know already, my dishwasher has gone out, and now it's probably been out for like a month or so because this video was filmed right after it went out. And so this is like one of the first times I'm having to do a whole lot of dishes because you know what? This is the first time I'm doing the dishes since we found out the dishwasher was broken, because these dishes right here are all dirty, even the ones in the dishwasher, and because it went out, and so I have to take them out from the dishwasher and hand wash them. So that's what this video is all about. I'm just hand washing the dishes, and I'm also using two Dawn products. I'm using the regular dish detergent soap as well as the power wash spray to see which one I like better with hand washing. So you'll get to see me use both of those, and I'm washing dishes kind of without having a sink full of water. I used to do that, but I really just don't like doing that anymore, and I just kind of wash a few dishes, rinse a few dishes, and then just do everything like that. And also here we do not have like a drying rack for the dishes yet because we weren't sure if we were going and getting another dishwasher or not, but I've talked previously about maybe doing a kitchen renovation soon. So if we do that, I didn't want to like go out buying a lot of different stuff. So anyways, this is basically a lot of kitchen motivation with dishes and washing the counters off, and then also the island and sweeping and mopping.
Finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song, and then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before. Never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true.
Well, I spoke too soon. I thought the boys were outside with their dad cleaning up because we're going to be leaving town soon, but they just came in, so I'm sure it's gonna get loud here. But I just cleaned all the counters and finished those dishes that were on top, so now all I have left are the dishes that are in the dishwasher and then the floors. So I'm gonna keep on going.
Doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Will you still love me as I'm getting lonely and old? And when you are away, I sometimes shivering cold. It is hard to define you, but you're worth more than gold. When everything is told.
So this is Aiden, my 8-year-old, and he's rarely around when I'm filming, but this was either a day when he was home from school, or maybe it was the weekend when I recorded this. I can't remember. But, anyways, he was home and he was wanting to help, so we got these dishes dried even faster.
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Baby, how I need the loving of you.
I wanted to give a little review of either using the Dawn Power Wash or the Dawn Liquid Detergent when hand washing your dishes. And they both clean good, of course. They make them shiny and all of that stuff. I would say that it's more fun to use the power wash. It's just kind of cool how it spritz on, and I usually like spray the dishes and kind of set them down for a second while it kind of does a like quick soak, and then I'll wash them and rinse them. But I really do like the Dawn power wash. This first scent that I tried was the orange or citrus scent, and the one that I have currently is the apple. So I did repurchase it. It was on a major sale at Kroger for $3.99, so it was retailing for four something. So I guess $4.99 because I got $1 off, and so I thought $3.99 was worth it. I don't know if I would spend any more than that. I think that sounds right, that they're usually around $5. But anyways, I did get it for $3.99, so I'm trying the apple scent, and y'all will have to let me know which scent is your favorite down in the comments below. And here is a little technique I'm using here. So I took out the dishwasher silverware tray thingy, whatever you call it, and then I just sprayed them while they were in here to wash them. And I guess normally I wouldn't have thought of doing this, but like I said, I had the dishwasher already full and it was loaded, ready to go, and that's when we discovered that it did not work. That's how this ended up. But anyways, I do like the power wash, and don't forget to let me know down below what you think about it and what scent is your favorite.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's all.
I love this Dyson stick vacuum. I got it for Christmas. I had been asking for it ever since I saw a YouTuber use this, and it's just awesome because you can use it on carpet, you can use it on tile, hardwood, laminate flooring. I use it on my living room rug. I just recently used it to clean my ceiling fan. You can use it to clean out drawers. You can get so many different attachments. I just love it so much. I will have it linked in my description box because I do get asked which one this one is, and so I have a link that goes to Amazon straight to the one that I have, and it's just really like the best thing I could have gotten for Christmas. I love this vacuum. So I have been using this Bonham mop for probably 6 years now. It is the first one that I got, and it's done the job. I have two pads that I switch off on it and wash them. I also use the bottle spray, but they now have one which they've had it for a while, I believe. The one where it's attached to the actual mop and you just, I guess, push a button to spray. So do you guys think I should get one of those, or should I just continue to spray and mop? I don't know. I've been doing this for like 6 years now, so I don't know if it really bothers me or not. But I was thinking about upgrading it. I don't know. I just don't know what to do. So if you have any comment you could leave me about what you use to mop, I would like to hear what y'all use. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up because it helps my channel out. And also don't forget to subscribe. I am almost to my first 500 subscribers and I would love to have you come along with me in this journey, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye!